my channel. So today I want to share with you guys Family Dollar breakdowns. I have one down my street from my store. A lot of you guys have asked me to start shopping there and do deals, and I'm like, sure, why not? So I'm not gonna possibly do deals every week. It just depends on how everything's going, but I'm gonna try to show you guys some breakdowns. Now, as I'm doing these, I'll do more and more breakdowns for the future. I'm just kind of looking at what the ad that I saw in their deals. So I might find better deals or whatever, but if I do go shopping, I will show you guys a haul on Saturday. But I ended up getting 2 breakdowns for you guys, something for you kind of have an idea. But like I said, I'm going to try to share with you guys a little bit more breakdowns as I get used to the Family Dollar prices and all that fun stuff. So the first breakdown we have is this one right here. So there is 7 items that you guys can get. So we're going to get Febreze. You guys should have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. And that comes out to be $6. Take away the 3, comes out to be $3 for the Febreze. We got a Tide Simply. Now you guys can do the Tide Simply pods or the Tide Simply liquid detergent. It's up to you what you want to do. But they are $2.95, and there's going to be a $1 off digital coupon that you guys can clip. There is the regular Tide Pods that you guys can do for $4.95. You want to use a $2 off digital coupon. There's the Dial Body Wash for $4. So you want to buy 2 of them. It comes out to be $8. You want to use that buy one, get one free digital coupon. So you guys would end up paying $4 for that. And then there's the Crest toothpaste. Now the Crest toothpaste, from what the ad said, is $3.50, but I'm going to try to see if I can maybe get a better deal. Like I said, I'm going to start learning prices at Family Dollar so I can bring you guys more breakdowns. But the ad said it was $3.50. You want to use a $2 off digital coupon. Plus you guys want to use that 5 off of 25 digital coupon. That is for March 20th, that Saturday only. So you guys will get $25.40 worth of product for $8.40. That's 7 items at $1.12. So you can mix and match. I might even do deals. I might even have something on here where it says the price so you guys can figure out your own stuff, because not everybody wants to get all these same products. So I'm going to work on it. Once I get, used to their prices, I'm going to definitely share with you guys on that. Now here's another breakdown. Again, the Febreze is the same, but this time I took away the Tide Pods and I added the Tide Simply Pods and the Tide Simply detergent. So both of those. Same thing with the Dial Body Wash and then the Crest toothpaste. And then there's Glade for $2.75. There's a bunch of different stuff that showed in the ad for $2.75. And then we do have, I think, a $1 off digital coupon. Plus, you guys want to use the 5 off of 25 digital coupon for that Saturday only. And it'll come out to be $26.15 before coupons. And then after coupons, it'll be $9.15. That's 8 items for $1.14. So if you guys kind of like how this is, let me know. I'm going to try to share with you guys more deals as I get used to their pricing. I'm probably just going to go to the store and take a bunch of photos so I kind of have an idea what the prices are for future breakdowns. And then I also will eventually start doing deals that have digital coupons that you guys can add your own breakdowns to. But just want to give you guys a heads up. I'm going to start working on this. It's going to get better so you guys can plan your trip ahead of time. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all later.